So there was a friend of mine, and she was Brahmin, just like me. Shakal Dipi one. Okay. So she wanted a boyfriend, but her father told her that he would only accept a love marriage in the same caste. Like if she was Brahman, she has to find a Brahman, and not any Brahman, but particularly Shakal Dipi one. Okay, and Shakal Dipi Brahmans are rare, just like me. So her duty was to find a good, a decent boyfriend, a Shakal Dipi boyfriend. So, she was pretty, and she used to get plenty of proposals, but she couldn't accept them. Like even if they were Brahmins, they can't, cause there are many types of Brahmins. She only wanted Shakal Dipi one. Okay, so finally she got a Shakal Dipi Brahman. So they started talking, and eventually their friendship grew into love. So okay, they had 7 years of relationship. Okay, so when it was time to get married, the girl introduced his boyfriend to his family. Okay, so his family tried to find out through their ties whether the boy was a real Shakal Dipi Brahman or not. Because you know, Shakal Dipi Brahmans, or say Magha Brahmans in the Magha region, are very rare, and if you wanna find that whether someone is Shakal Dipi or not, it's very easy. Because if suppose if a Shakal Dipi Brahman and another boy is Shakal Dipi Brahman, then we will have mutual relations with someone, and through that mutual relation we'll have any kind of relationship, like of uncle and niece or brother sister or whatever. So they try to find whether he was a real Shakal Dipi or not, because it matters the most. There is a casteism. So they found out that he was a real Shakal Dipi Brahman, but problem was that they found out that that boy was cousin of that girl. Okay, bro. I mean, not closely related, but somehow what he was cousin, and they can be married because they were Purva same. In our clan, it is like that if our Gotras are same, that we could get married, but if our Pura are same, then we can. For marriage, there should be different Purs. And oh my god, that was a whole tragedy. Bro, I don't know what should I say. वो उसका सैया तो उसका 2 मिनट में भैया बन गया guys. Oh my god, bro, मैंने रोते हुए देखा उस दोनों